one there, yeah. Cause you see that ball from Zubimendi, yeah.
Yeah.
You see that ball from Zubimendi, the spin, crazy. But Zubimendi wasn't aiming for Gyokeres, yeah. Gyokeres was like, I can smell a ball coming in the box. Yeah, what a striker does, bless. Yes, somehow. What the Gyokeres is cooking, blood header. Yeah, right. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. You man told me he can't header a ball. When I say you man, I don't mean you two in it. I'm saying you man. Yeah, you man said that he can't header a ball. He had his first goal for Arsenal was a header. His first goal was a header. That's crazy, you know.
Nearly the second as well. The diving header.
The diving header
hit the post. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice.
Yeah, that was nice, man. Yeah, but don't worry, because before everyone tells me, "Oh, Hawks is gassed. Hawks is gassed." Yeah, hold that. I am gassed 3-0, but it's still only a friendly. It's only preseason. I'm keeping the same energy. Like when we lost, only preseason. It's only preseason. But I tell you what, this was a great way to end preseason before going into the first game of the season. I'd rather go in to facing Manchester United 3-0, you know, clean sheet, couple goals, all of that. Good performances all across the pitch, you know, except from it's getting to the point where I might have to start treating man like Voldemort, he who shall not be named, yeah, on the left wing. It's getting close. It's getting real close. I even think when Madueke came on,
he looked clear. Think about the fullbacks, because that was my only gripe about today, yeah.
I think Timber had a good
performance, but you know, this inverting stuff is exposing everyone that plays on the left. Even Timber's inverting now. We're getting Calafiori inverting. The only time they looked like they were going to score was because of us inverting and then playing out from the back with this inverting stuff in our box. That was the only chances that they got. I think if we consistently keep doing that, we're going to put ourselves under pressure. We even, I think Arteta needs to change that, because it's putting us under pressure. Do you get what I mean? Where we don't need to, because other than that, we looked fine. Like even like when we inverted, Lewis Skelly inverted and then lost the ball against Tottenham. You can see situations where sometimes you get away with it, sometimes you get punished. You know what I mean? In the Prem, giving the ball away like that, like playing it, running across our box when we're getting pressed. Come on, have a little bit of read the room. Do you know what I'm saying? Read the room. And I'm not so much, you know, I don't like Calafiori, but I'm not so much blaming Calafiori anymore, because I see this manager telling anybody that plays fullback to do that, and I'm like,
he was overlapping though. Pressure. Calafiori was overlapping in the first half though, so he was playing the left back role a bit different to like how.
Yes, but he had one cross. Bro, that pass into Rice, yeah, when you could see Rice is getting pressed and it's in our box, let the player go straight through into our goalkeeper and nothing their shots for shit. Do you get me? And then he did another one where he was like trying to dribble in our box, across our box, while getting pressed. What are you doing, bro?
I hear it.
What are you doing, bro?
I hear it. But players make mistakes.
Get punished for that.
Yeah, players make mistakes. Like, you get me? Like my quote.
Only mistakes for 21
we're only human. Do you get me?
We're only human after all.
Yeah, we're only human after all. You get me? Like, we make mistakes. You get me?
I get it.
We all make mistakes. You know what I'm saying? Like, obviously, I'm hoping that Rice after the game pulls, or maybe at halftime goes to Calafiori. Maybe next time.
But he always has a mistake in him. That's the thing.
Yeah. Do you know what? Like, I guarantee you, every day I go out and I walk, yeah, at one moment on my walk, yeah, I'll trip over a curb, like, or the uneven pavement. Do you know what I'm saying?
Every day.
Okay, maybe not every day, but
thank you.
Yeah, but he don't do it.
But you didn't lay the pavement. Arteta's laying the instructions for the fullback to do that.
I didn't lay the pavement. Yeah, I'm just saying, but I should be paying attention. I should be concentrating, looking, and it's a long way down for me to look, but I should be concentrating, seeing the uneven pavement so I don't trip. But it is what it is. It's cool. And I got one thing that I want to say to you both, yeah. Some minna, hey. Waka, hey. Yeah, 60 million down the drain. Kai Havertz scores again. What a goal, blood. Yeah. Do you know what? This is one of the benefits of having Victor Gyokeres at Arsenal. Yeah. The other people that are playing the 9 are going to learn how to play the 9. Because you see Havertz running through the breezums. Yeah, he's running. I told man, because I'm pretty sure you got a video somewhere where you're laughing at me for what I said online. He's got blonks, yeah, strength, holding off that defender, yeah. Now, let's be honest. Let's be honest, yeah? Let's be honest. Usually, when he gets to that position, you're lucky I got a phone call, but hold that, Havertz scored, in it. You know what I'm saying? You get me?
Anyway, people, he didn't push over anyone. Do you know what I'm saying? The guy 60 kilo. The guy that was against him, he was the left back, right? He was the left back. And it wasn't even the center. He wasn't even the centre back. Do you know what I'm saying? But it's still a good goal. It's still a good goal. I'll be real.
Yeah, but you see how all of us can agree that it was a good goal, yeah?
It was.
Got to take it to a next level. I mean,
yeah.
You don't need to start doing the
like he's strong and trying to make it sound like he's strong.
Man starts getting the bongos out. You
get me?
Bro, come on, bro. It's preseason, bro. Come on. It's a dead team. Let's relax, bro. This is what I'm saying. This is why they call you top gooners. Times like this.
Yeah.
Times like this. When you start doing this,
they think that you're a top gooner. This is top gooner behavement. This is top gooner behavement. You know what I'm saying? This is how they behave. There's a pattern.
Igao-esque behavior right now. You know what I'm saying? Very Igao-esque.
Facts. Nah, but it was a good goal. I can't even believe that he made that run. I'll be real. I don't know how he made that run. I can't lie. Usually Havertz is not someone. He's someone that would lose the ball in that instant. But maybe, like he said, maybe because he's seen Gyokeres, number 9, he's scoring. He's like, yo, you know what? I'm not going down without a fight. Maybe. That's why competition is so good, people. Do you know what I'm saying? Left back, centre back, goalkeeper, striker, number 10, any position, or Odegaard. Why don't we give up competition to Odegaard? Why don't we create competition for him? Maybe he'll get better. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Because that was a good run. If I don't even... donkeys are pretty fast. They are, innit? They are. They are.
Oh, don't Mario.
Oh, come on, Hux, man. Come on, Hux, man.
Didn't mean it like that.
Oh, come on, bro. It's not like that, bro. I thought we were friends.
Bro. You upset him now, man.
Oh,
don't do that, Hux, man.
Hey, man, in the chat, don't do that. Apologize right now. Apologize right now.
Oh, guys, take it easy, man. Don't upset, man.
It was a great goal, bro. R9. That was an R9 run. I'll be real. That was an R9 run. The way he bodied the defender, the way he slotted it in.
Come on.
That was
we let him sing the Zaminamina. We listen.
Yeah, all right, fair enough. Are you still on the phone, Hooks, or are you back in the...
Yeah, he's still on the phone.
He's still on the phone, yeah. But, bro. Now, it was a good run, North. I'll be real, yeah? I didn't expect it. I thought he was going to lose the ball. You get me? Usually, he loses the ball there. But that's what competition does, bro. That's what competition does. If we keep crossing the ball low, bro, something might happen. It's either the defender will score an own goal, or Gyokeres is gonna bury that. Do you know what I'm saying? And who's been screaming for that, North? It's us. It's us. They're crossing the ball low because of us. You get me? They were crossing the ball like this, like last game, bro. Saka crossing the ball to Martinelli, and Martinelli crossing the ball to Saka. Do you know what I'm saying? Gyokeres there in the middle, just not understanding what happened. But yeah, man. Listen, hey, Arteta's gonna ride this out, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna ride it out. He's gonna be like, see, I told you, Gyokeres just needed a bit of time to fit, do you know what I'm saying? To understand the way we play. Oh, bro, Arteta, man, he's gonna have a field day today. I swear, but with that smirk. Yeah, he's gonna be smirking, bro. He's gonna be smirking. You don't like that smirk like me, innit? I don't like the way he smirks.
I don't like that, bro. When they smirk, they just want to slap their face. You know what I'm saying? Shut up, man.
Shut up.
Dickhead. Remember when happy slap? You know, shut up.
Or go the pimp way, you know what I'm saying, with the backhand. Shit. Oh, my days.
This is the thing, yeah. The more they gas it, the more they got less excuses. It's true. There is no excuses. Like, yeah, I'm saying, like I said, like, I'm happy with Zubimendi. I was always happy with Zubimendi and Gyokeres. The only thing I said about Zubimendi, I said, I haven't seen enough of him. I want to see him consistently to then make a judgment, which is the same thing I did for Calafiori and Timber. Because I weren't watching them before they came to Arsenal. You know what I'm saying? But
I don't think he's better than Partey. That was my concern, North. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I like Zubimendi, but I don't think he's better than Partey for now. Maybe we'll see him more. I don't know about you. I don't know how you saw it with Zubimendi, but I still don't think he's better than Partey. I think Partey, what he was doing in that midfield is so underrated, regardless of, you know, just so unnecessary.
But now they understand when we say that Declan Rice, yeah, is good at winning the ball and good at crashing the box. They now can see what we're talking about, because when you compare him to Partey and Zubimendi, you can see his deficiencies in his game. He's not good on the half turn. He doesn't have the vision. He doesn't run the game in terms of creativity. He doesn't have those attributes to his game. He's just not that type of player. You know what I'm saying? So when the fan base was getting upset when we were saying, yo, Declan Rice doesn't bring what Partey brings, now you understand. Declan Rice has been playing next to Norgard, Moreno, and all that. It ain't worked. It's not the same as what you saw today with Zubimendi. He's not that kind of midfielder. He's just not. You know
he's not that guy.
He's not that guy. But I do want to see him on free kicks, though. That's one thing I do want to see. I do want to see Declan Rice on free kicks. You know what I'm saying? Because at the moment, it's like Odegaard ain't a great free kick taker. And after Rice scored the free kicks against Real Madrid, he has to be on free kicks. I don't want to see anybody else on free kick. I want to see if Rice can actually do it consistently. Do you know what I'm saying? Because we ain't got a great set piece taker like that, a free kick taker like that. We ain't got that.
Yeah, true.
Saka's not great on free kicks. Odegaard ain't great. Like they're average. They're not amazing. They're like average. You know what I'm saying? Like nobody else in his team.
I think Arteta puts Odegaard on free kicks for his GA, innit? You know, because if you cross the ball into the box and Gabriel somehow scores or someone scores, you get a little assist out of that. Do you know what I'm saying? So I think that's why Odegaard is on free kicks. You get me? But like, I agree with you 100%, bro. Rice has to be on free kicks right now. We saw what he can do. We saw what he can do. Do you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. Like, listen, if we're talking about Zubimendi, bro, that was a hell of a performance, bro. I'll be real. That was a hell of a performance. Even the little back heel that tells you everything, bro. You can't just do that little back heel, North. You get me? You played football. You know Wagwan. You know what I'm saying? You know Wagwan. In that space, in that time, you need to be a baller to think of a back heel. But I hope he does turn out to be better than Partey. People think that we want the worst for these players. Do you know what I'm saying, North? Do you get me? We have nothing. We have no beef with these man. We don't know them. Do you know what I'm saying? We don't hate him personally. Okay, I hate Xhaka personally. Only him. The others, it's different. You know why I hate Xhaka personally. We don't need to get into that. You know what I'm saying? So that's obvious. That's beside the point. Xhaka, something else. But the others, we don't hate them personally. I hope they all make it. You know what I'm saying? They're there. But the thing is that we've told you about these players before. Do you get me? We've told you about players. You didn't need to spend 52 million to get someone on the wing that can just cross the ball. Brighton used to do that shit. You remember Brighton from Leicester? He used to be sick of that. You know what I'm saying? Just go to and whip the ball in. You can, do you know what I'm saying? Like 52 million doesn't get you, get you someone way better than that. But unfortunately, it is what it is. You get me? When you think about it, it is what it is. You've got Madueke better than I'll tell you my opinion, yeah? North. He's a little bit better than Martinelli. I'll be real with you right now. Martinelli, you can't beat his man, bro. He can't beat his man. Pause. And he can't, you know what I'm saying? He can't get on his strong foot so he can shoot, because he ain't got that curl on his shot. And he can't go on the left and do something from the left because he doesn't have that kind of like capability. So why are we really playing you when you think about it? We're not playing a counter attack or playing direct for us